Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I am constantly struggling to get more volume from my hairstyle, and I don't want to tease my hair. So I was so excited with this Voloom volumizing ceramic hair iron. I love the results I get when I use it. This is the classic 1.5 inch size, and it comes with such an extensive accessory kit with everything I need to be successful when I use this. The pattern of the actual iron is what gives the great results, along with the ability to be able to adjust the temperature. And it's really just so easy to use. I section my hair and then clamp it with the iron. I also love the swivel cord to make it easier to work with. There's even a locking mechanism on the back, so it can be locked shut and then unlocked to open. And the on button is so easy to use. You just hold it down until it turns on, and then there's a plus and a minus button in order to adjust the temperature. I am just so thrilled with the results I get from this Voloom volumizing hair iron. It's so easy for me to use, and that's my point of view.